Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go to the settings and now just scroll down to the security and location, tap on that and scroll down again to the advanced options. Now you'll see here the SIM card lock, tap here and just tap once on the switcher to activate your SIM pin. Now just type the password what you wanna and now just confirm by tapping to OK, and now as can you see your SIM card is locked. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.